There was once a small village tucked beneath a towering mountain range. The villagers feared the mountain not because of danger, but because of what it symbolized: impossibility. No one had ever crossed it. No one had ever climbed it. It stood like a silent wall between them and the rest of the world. But there was one boy who wasn't afraid to look up. His name was Anil. He was 17, skinny, curious, and stubborn in all the ways dreamers tend to be. While others avoided the mountain, Anil would often sit at its base and sketch it. One day he would whisper to himself, "I will move you." The villagers laughed at him. "Move a mountain? Boy, you can't even lift a sack of rice." But Anil didn't argue. He simply showed up. Every morning before sunrise, he picked up a small shovel and dug all the base of the mountain, just a few scopes. Then he would go to school. After school, more digging. Days passed, then weeks. People stopped paying attention. One day, the village chief approached him. "What exactly are you trying to do, Anil?" "Dig a path through the mountain," he said. The chief raised an eyebrow. "That's never been done." Anil replied, "Then I'll be the first." They shook their heads and walked away. But Anil carried on. When it rained, he dug. When it snowed, he dug. When his friends gave up trying to change things, he kept going. Years passed. Slowly, others began to notice. A few children joined him, then some teenagers. Eventually, even the elders began chipping in, curious to see where it would lead. After 7 years of digging, sweating, and sticking to the impossible, something remarkable happened. They broke through. On the other side of the mountain lay a lush green valley, full of trade routes, new people, fresh ideas. The village, once trapped in its own silence, suddenly had access to a whole new world. The same villagers who once mocked Anil now stood in awe. Anil, now a man, didn't say much. He just looked at the tunnel they had carved and whispered. It moved. Because sometimes the mountain isn't made of stone. Sometimes it's made of doubt. And all it takes is the courage to chip away at it a little every day.